Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako, and this channel content has to do with CorelDraw, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDraw, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All this tutorial has been made for basic to advanced in CorelDraw, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. So let's get the tutorial started. What's up guys, I welcome you to another interesting video in CorelDraw, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can make the TriFold Brochure in CorelDraw. So let's get the tutorial started. First we make a new page. I go to File, click on New, here we go. You have to come down below here and type your width to be 11.76, then the height should be 8.267, the color should be CMYK, then resolution should be 300. Once you are done with your setting, then you click on OK. Next, I'll go to my toolbar, double click the rectangle to make a page body. Now go to my menu bar again and change the width size. 3.92. And I'll press Enter key on my keyboard just to divide the page into 3 equal sides. Then I'll take my ruler. Alright, next I'll go to my toolbar again. I'll select my pen tools. And I'll make a path. Then I'll convert my path to shape to curve by go to Shape Tools. I click on and convert to curve. Okay, then I'll make another path again. I'll go to my shape tool, I'll right click. Okay. Now go back to my pencils again and make another part down below here. Shape tools. Come out to curve. And I'll double click the rectangle again to make a page body. Next, I will look for my smart fill tools from this down below here. And I'll fill this place. I'll fill this. And I can delete this. I can change this color to red. I can change this color to white. I click on this. I'll click on my import icon. I'm going to use this image here. Now click on import.
So I'll go to Objects. I look for power clip. Then place inside frame. Z. Objects. Then I click on this icon here to edit the power clip.
I'll show my picture.
Then I'll click edit, stop edit this level. And my eye color dropper here. And I'll drop the color here. Z. Let me zoom out the entire shape. Color dropper. So I can drop the color here. Good. Then I'll select everything. I will click on this icon to remove stroke. Then I'll change the background color to sky blue. Finally, I'll drop it down here.
When I click on the text at the front of it, now I can position my text.
Finally, I can delete this. This is how you make a very clean modern 3-4 brochure in Corel. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in Corel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.